Oh, it's tasty. Doo-doo. Twitch TV app improvements. GUI. Oh. That's fine. That's definitely fine. Bright and early morning. Let's get this done. First of all, close Steam. We don't need this. Where the fuck is my YouTube live chat? What? Okay, my YouTube live chat is just not there. Oh, there you are. Oh, there's the little baby. Okay, we got a live chat. I'll pop this out. There we go. Ah, that's good. I won't have any statistics, but that's fine. We don't need statistics. Let's go ahead and get this done. I want something very stupid. So essentially what I want to do is get the main screen closer. And in order to facilitate that, I need one of these. Free LCD module, 3D model. This looks like what I want. I need something like this. Oh, right. And it's an STP. What about free 3D, huh? Well, for a website called Free 3D, there's a lot of paid stuff, you know? That's a fire model. You're the best at this. I don't think there's anything that I would necessarily want. This one is a bunch of models. Sketchfab maybe has something. Oh! You know, this does look like something I would want. Anything looks similar to this? I would want something like this. Can I use it for a commercial game, please? It literally says you can. It literally says it's licensed under Creative Commons. That means you can use it for a commercial setting because it's not removing anything. It just says credit the creator. It needs to be a little wider. I don't think anyone's going to be wiser if I just connect the models together. Oh, my ass. I need to move all of this crap to like its own folder. This over here. Oh wow, that's actually massive for its supposed to be. Still needs to like have things connected in the side of each other, but I think it'll be fine. Just need this to match its rotation. Looks like that's all the rotation it needs. Copy both things, please. The fuck? Okay. We'll rotate you on this axis then. I'm gonna be so bloody stubborn. Spin! Oh. This is a certified hood classic. So we're just gonna separate this. I know it's weird, I just put in this whole entire setup only for it to just... What? Only for it to just be, like, slightly modified, but that's just how it goes, to be honest. If you expect everything to be one and done, then I would hate for you to be on my team. Straight up. You don't deserve to be on my team if you think everything's one and done. Everything can be improved, and you could make stuff to, like, a certain degree. Who are my top fans? I'm the top fan. I'm a top. Oh, this is fire. I wonder if it will stretch it across my screen. Huh! It does. That's so fun. Look at that. That's so cool. That's legitimately the coolest thing ever. Oh, I forgot to. Hang on, hang on. Gotta calibrate. Make sure your model is in perfect working order. Anyways, I still think that's pretty sick. Twitch chat is now a thing. My friends on YouTube, sucks to be you, I guess. I should move this over to the arts category. Ooh, nope. I caught it. So good at video games. Actually, you know it'd be pretty funny if this is like slightly coming down like this. Now it makes sense. Oh, I didn't know I could hide those widgets. Pretty cool. Okay, slow it down there, Buckaboo. Excellent. Let's make sure it's not clipping. And afterwards, we'll just duplicate it. And then we'll just bring it over again. Huh? Oh, the Z fighting. There's a little bit of Z fighting. That's so funny. Luckily for me, Z fighting won't be visible in the final image. So now, if we go to our regular monitor camera, the regular, where is it? Single scene. Yep. And we just adjust the camera. Now we need to adjust the monitor. Like the hierarchy. Does that work? I think that works. Yeah, that works. So now we take this. So you won't be able to see the full numbers at the bottom. So it just looks like numbers at the moment. Let's see. Probably actually scale this up just a teeny tiny bit. So the monitor is completely within it. We now take our camera. Blender, thank you for the white outline. Appreciate you. I want a Monster Energy drink. Energy drink. It's just gonna pull up a bunch of monsters. Holy, that's scary. The plant monster, though, that's pretty cute. Plants vs. Zombies. Energy drink. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. It's the monster is just down the way you expect. All right. Where's the monster? It's so large! Big boy monster. Drink. Look how big this model is. so big. Baby monster. Is that even seeable? No. I can't see it though. We need like a very, very dim spotlight. So we need to lower this. Da -da 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 -da. This is some great chiptune, I love it. Where's my theme? Hello? Where's my selector? It's not there. What? Whoa! What's it doing over there? What? What's my selector doing in the floor? Can I unparent you? I'm just gonna delete these two. Monster energy. Drink. Hey, speaking of out-of-touch executives, have you seen Flirt? It's mad funny seeing them trying to market a drink that sucks. Okay, rotating on the Y does nothing. Just grab this. Oh yeah. Go ahead and chat, by the way. I dare you. And that's only for... like I said before. Your messages do show up on stream now. It's bare bones. It's only like Godot engine hee hee ha ha theme. They do show up. What the heck? What in God's green earth is going on with this Monster Energy drink? Also, I still hate that blender bug. They need to fix that. Is it even viewable? I mean, it's not gonna print the emojis, doggo. It's not gonna print the emojis, but what it will do is that it will print out the name of the emoji. So I'm pretty sure what it printed out was, yeah, Cat B Claw Neocat. Eventually, because the Godot engine does support BB code, you could actually embed an image inside the text. But for now, we're just doing this. Also, we're fixing up our scene. That's why we have the Monster Energy drink. Why is it doing that? Is that just the shader? Does the shader just suck eggs? It must be the metallic roughness, right? Like, the object is so big, I don't foresee a future where the metallic roughness... Hey, we got lucky. Where the metallic roughness actually, like, makes sense. So maybe we just have to remove the metallic roughness. Alternatively, it could just be a geometry thing. Why are you plugging in alpha? You don't need alpha. Go away. Oh, that fixed everything, huh? It was questionable why you had an alpha channel in the first place. Because I was able to see through the cam. Let me undo it so that way I can just do that. And then unplug the alpha. So what happens when you like are good at 3D modeling? You get to fix up models that people just don't know how to make. Let's see when. How big is this can compared to my monitor? It's a little bit bigger. It's about that big. It's about that big. We just rotate into frame. Afterwards, we need to make it make sense. Probably makes more sense if I were to drag it this way. There comes an issue where I have to green screen out the monster cam, though. I don't think I'm well versed enough to know how to render two separate images off. Just move that to the side then. Maybe. It just needs to make enough sense. I need to scale my camera a little bit more. Yeah, a focal length of 50. Just gonna move this more into the corner. Well, first of all, I need to scale these up. There we go. It looks like there's a handprint on that CRT. Oh, most likely spam, you say? I think AutoMod caught it. That's interesting. AutoMod messages don't show up? Or do they? How do I render a single object on a separate plane? You can do that in Godot Engine by just pressing a button, so I have a feeling you might be able to do the same thing here. No, I don't think so. I think we just have to hide it. Oh, also, I should know, this is a wild name for a Twitch bot. Like, look at this. Crowded Comer. What a wild name for a bot, specifically. Oh, we need to edit that spotlight. Oh, doggo. You want to know something interesting? There's another streamer on here on Twitch. She has an own cast called Kiri. And specifically, there was this, like, one person in their chat that was just the most uncomfortable, I'm assuming, man. Just very uncomfortable. I'm pretty sure she was not interacting with the guy at all, and he was just spamming up chat. I hated every bit of it. Made me super uncomfortable. I'm not sure how Kiri felt. I hated every bit of it. Looks like it's just... Holy crap. It's just a spotlight on the Monster Energy. That's hilarious. Gold. Literal gold. I think I know what I need to do. I'm gonna turn off... I'm gonna call this the Monster Energy Spotlight. We're going to turn off both the Monster Energy drink and the spotlight. And render this out to an image. We'll just save it into our documents. Screen.png. You know the drill. Hey, it's not like I need all that storage space. I have 6 terabytes. Now, we turn everything else off. Can we do that? Can we select everything? And then afterwards... How do I select everything? Why is it not? Am I dragging something? That's edit mode. Where is the thing? It's not... Maybe I could just select everything instead. Is there a right-click turn off button? There is no right-click turn off. Oh! But there is an exclude layer! So now, I'm so sorry, I don't know why it flashes sometimes. So we just grab the entirety of the clock. Oh. How about we just grab the Monster Energy drink and drag it to the regular room collection. And from there, we just exclude everything else. Why is base never in there? We need a new collection. So it'll just be called text. New room collection. This one will be called cameras. What is this one? What are you supposed to be? Supposed to be an LCD display? Oh, that one. What happens if I delete you? Oh, Pokemon! Oh, that display disappears. That means I need to drag this back into the LCD display area. Afterwards, we need one more thing. One more collection, gonna call it lights. I'm watching my time, I need to go check out the new job in like 2 hours. Why do you flash? Seriously, why do you flash? Are you not rendering something correctly? Is it because of these? There we go. That was extremely dumb and unnecessary. What the fuck? There. I just grab the stuff that we need. We could put the rest back later. Like, it's not the 101, but it's the single scene. So we grab this. Drag it out. Now everything else can be turned off. And we'll literally just have this. And of course, of course, of course. Let me actually render this properly. Where is this? So what specifically we need? What we call oh, it's just gonna fit. I just realized Twitch chat is gonna fill up my screen. That's really funny, actually. There's no timer to any of the objects. We need to make parents on there. It's a button under the camera. Render properties. Oh, before I forget. Doggo, you wanted this? It should be fine, even though you... In case if you need to compile the library itself, get it from my web app. But I'm pretty sure I didn't use any Java or JSON web tokens. Film properties. I like how it displays under everything else. So even if I focus it, it's not working. Render film transparent. Perfect. Render out the image. Ah, beautiful. Screen overture. Now let's just set everything back. This goes in objects, this goes in lights, and this goes in cameras. Ooh. Boom, shakalaka laka laka, winners. Let's actually take a look at how big this file is. Huh, it still ain't as big as when I deleted the entirety of that previous clock. So you know the clock sucked. Alright. Oops. Alright, let's make our adjustments. How the heck is this, like, smaller? It's wild. Alright, let's make our adjustments. I think it's about time we retire the police assault. Does not add anything, just looks like noise. No more police assault. I will keep it as a video though. Wait, it rendered it? Why? It wasn't supposed to render. Whatever. We'll fix it in a moment. Just zoom in real quick. That's where the bottom is. I need to add a color filter to this thing. Very artsy. Yeah, just right there. That should be fine. Now we grab our VTube Studio. We need to add like a color filter or something. Color correction? Yeah. We take our... Just gonna lock our VTube Studio. Unlock our desktop. Jesus. Chat is fine. What am I moving around? Oh, freaky. The desktop is also fine. According to the image. My model is freaking out. Stop. That was really funny. So now I need to specifically have it so that way it renders only certain things. Dang, that's a really good model. Wow. I just want to render the jug of juice, and it looks phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. A separate layer? How do I get it? Ooh, Pokemon. Put your foot right there. Cat entered my chair. Where's the render layer, actually? Oh. How do I move this over to the render layer? Like LCD screen, select hierarchy. How did a slowpoke escape? Wild. Oh. Let's try this again. Monster Energy, wherever it is. Here. Front of screen. The light we need would be Monster Energy Drink Spotlight. So what happens if I were to render the image? Nice. Except for one thing. I need to have this point, certain point light enabled. This one. This is a point light I need enabled because I need to be able to see this, the LCD screen. Only got the note, that's fine. Welcome to the chat. What are you doing? So essentially, I'm just redoing my display thing again for like third time this time. Why is it not updating? Why is chat not updating? Well, I guess we'll just do this. Entertain. What the fuck? What? Cannot call get child count on a null value? That's why it crashed? Okay, we're just gonna set that over there for now. What we need to do... Grab this. Keep this below others, and then afterwards we need to grab the chat window. Again. There you go. You can now freely speak your mind, and you will show up in the left-hand side of your corner, Tar. So, those are like everyone else. Why did it crash? I can also see the entirety of the metadata and what we call subscriptions, I guess. The thing. And then afterwards, the data itself is sent over, which is like a payload. Nice. Indeed. The only thing I'm gonna do differently is leave the console open, because apparently something bugged and that caused it to crash. So, weird. Let's not have that happen. Just save this as... Might be just in downloads. Beautiful. We love when stuff crashes. Quite the opposite. I've done my best to stop it from crashing, and there's specific things that, like, make it crash, and it's upsetting. So we just grab this. We leave the point light, because we need to render this out. Oh, we need a... Perfect. I do not want to render those. Do it again. Perfect! Save that as desktop. Yes. Now we create a new image over here. Desktop over. Yeah, drag this so it's over the desktop. That looks fire. That looks so cool, just stuff obscuring the desktop. Also, I think I know how big I am now. So, just grab this. Yeah, I'm totally supposed to be just displayed on the LCD screen. At the same time, I do not care. You could just... I don't know, use your mat. Yes. Undo? Thank you. VTuber jump scare. You have star effects. Yeah. I still don't know what the stars mean. I don't have any effect. Doggo over there has hearts. I don't know what those effects are. Oh, before I forget, go to the channel points. What was this called? The channel point redeems, and just redeem anything. I lost my heart size solar stars. True. You can see that it crashed. It crashed. No. Why did it crash? Let's say the thing, cat. Oh yeah, you did redeem it. Ooh. If you don't like how I said it, specify it when you redeem it next time. Why did it crash? Message ID is invalid? You think you did exactly what you paid for? Mm-hmm. Why did it crash? I'm so lucky that it didn't like wholesale crash this time. It still broke. This is why I like a Godot engine, because even though it did a script error, it didn't 100% crash. Still fucking crashed. How? Alright, we'll just put these camera, point lights, and the lights. And these are all... I'm so pissed. Why did it crash? Let's adjust the one-on-one a little bit more. I want this. Oh, you can see my settings button. That's funny. Screen. I'm not smiling. Stop forcing me to smile, VTuber Studio. I have to actively frown in order for it to not smile. So this one, I think we'll just... Yeah, I want to move screen. I didn't remove this, right? Yeah, I did. Cool. We need to adjust the one-on-one again. For now... Going to... Oh, I'm too tall now. Aha! You get me slightly off-centered. Oh, you know what? It's getting the message ID from the text, but nothing else. So essentially... Where's the ID for the rewards then? I think we need to figure out where the IDs for the rewards is. Oh, that's fire. That's so fire. The screen obscuring effects is just so cool. It's like little things you can do just to improve it. Like, it didn't look good seeing me off to the side, but now that I have this slightly different thing, I'm now connected to the screen. There's more of a direct relationship between me and the actual broadcast screen itself. Also, the chat is on, that's like a lot of the messages. This is the bare minimum. This is like the bare minimum, essentially. So yeah, you could see all of the messages. Actually, boop. Oh! Displays on my desktop as well. Why not? But yeah. Essentially, it will always display the messages if there's more messages than what this could handle, it'll scroll down. It'll clutter this. It will clutter the stream. Currently, that's what it does. It clutters the stream. Yeah. Alternatively, you could, no, you can't spam because Stream Elements is a moderator, so it will immediately dean you for that. There's a lot of improvements that can be made with this. Definitely. Oh, I didn't have a thing. Desktop layout. Yay! Oh. True. You can just spam something different each time. And I don't think Stream Elements actually takes into account that specifically. Yeah, you're pretty smart. The only reason why it doesn't take into account slightly different themes is because, actually, I believe I don't have it set to that. Like I said before, it's using the minimum for moderation. So while it might detect the exact same thing, it's not like detecting slightly different changes. Also, VSync is not working because it's pulling from a library I made for the JSON Web Token. I'm still preparing to get randomly nuked. True. Oh, by the way, Tara, this is going to be a short stream. I have to, get going somewhere in 1 hour time. So we'll do what we can to try to fix whatever bug this is. Oh, wait, I know. Twitch.tv. So called it. What was it called? It's like something pub. Events pub? API. Event sub. Close enough. Here's the reference. I see short streams still let me collect children. Yes. Here it is. So this comes from message. Did this cause an error? Oh, okay. I don't have anything that actually takes into account the community collects my children thing. It should count towards your streak. Unless, no, you're logged in, same thing. It should count towards your streak. You'll see it in the bottom left-hand corner. If you watch a stream for at least 5 minutes. Should work. Because once you collect Smalls channel points, that's when it should count towards the thing. So, the redemption reward. Where is... Here it is. You need to get up. You like bed rotting or something? Custom reward, payload events, reward ID. No, it's just nice in my bed. Fair enough. I have a... actually a pretty tiny bed. It's a twin-sized bed. And twin-sized is like the smallest type of fucking bed. Like, I'm pretty sure I'm as tall as the bed itself. So if I, like, scooch slightly down, yeah. If I scooch slightly down, I touch the headboard. So that's the automatic. That's the custom reward. Where's the automatic reward? Vojillo. It sucks I have a bed, it's bed-sized. Good old America. We had to, like, do the weirdest way of naming. The biggest bed you could get over here is king-sized. And a king-sized bed is, like, the biggest. It's massive. Automatic custom. Is the message ID not a part of raids as well? King is so big. Yeah, I want a king-sized bed. They're actually relatively cheap too. They go for around $600. So it's really cheap for a king-sized bed. And you can fit so many plushies on that damn thing. I think it's pretty cool. I want a king-sized bed. Thanks, YouTube. I got disconnected. Close these out. I need to take a look at channel cheer. No, raid. Channel raid. What's the message ID for raids? What? They don't have an ID. Oh, there's the ID. It's in the subscription. Why would you put it in the subscription? It's all... Fine. Whatever. Channel raid. Payload. Subscription. ID. Cheers. Let's take a look at the cheers. Again, the ID is in the subscription. I'm seeing a pattern here, and I'm wondering why you did that in the first place. Damn, no raids. What do you mean by that? Of course you could do raids. It's just that it will, not put a message in my chat. Because it's broken. Subscription message. I know what that is. So, subscription, gift, and that. Regular subscribable. Looks like the subscription would be the ID. Still wondering why they did that. Regular subscribe would be here. A resubscribe, even though you could put in a message, it doesn't have a message. Sure. Channel subscription message. It's gonna be that. Then afterwards, the gift. No ID as well, it's in the subscription. follow events. It's in the subscription. I like how the perks for subbing is no ads when you can't even get ads yet. Yeah, you need to reach rank affiliate. And I find that interesting, to say the least. I know it's to prevent spamming channels, so you could get maximum ad revenue. Is that actually what it, like, proclaims? If you were to subscribe, you would get no ads, even though I'm not an affiliate, so you can't get ads for whatever reason. That's really funny. Alternatively, you could buy, what was it, Twitch Turbo, and that apparently gives you no ads as well. And it pays the creator if they were to run ad breaks. Custom power up. Oh, there's an event ID. No. That doesn't. I would get a sub-only chat, no ads, and subscriber streams. Definitely, definitely. I'm pretty sure you could actually see if you're a subscriber within the text itself. So if I were to just take a look at this. There's your message, your chatter name, your ID. Let's see. It should say. I guess I have to get your ID in order to see if you're a subscriber to the channel or not. I got to become cooler with the power of money. Indeed. Money makes the world go flat or something. Wait, do all of these have an ID? Channel points, custom, redemption. Do all of these have an ID? Oh! Oh yeah, you are seeing, like, chat scroll. Oh. You are seeing chat scroll up, by the way. I made sure to, like, if new messages were to go past a certain point, it just scrolls up automatically. And then afterwards, when it has, like, 50, you dislike this Pokemon strongly. I'm trying to buy Pokeballs strongly. Quiet, myself. You do not deserve to speak. Okay, catch. I am a lot louder, I just realized. Shiftry. Why do you dislike this Pokemon specifically? Okay. The design is terrible, I give you that. Oh, that's a terrible design. Ugh. Chud Pokemon? I wouldn't say it. Is it? Is the Pokemon itself a Chud? I doubt it. Subscription. Wow. Children for the Children board. I'm going to assume the bits usage is also on the thing. So, could just remove that. Bits use. New API, but it kind of sucks still. This also has a subscription thing. And looks like there's no message ID with it. So we could just use the subscription ID for all three of these. And then afterwards, a regular message ID for that. This one just takes the message delete of a chat. Yes. Let's just put this up to where the chat actually is. Put extra space. Money! There we go. It seemed dumb. Like, why would I spend $7 for 500 when 300 costs $3? The original purpose was that 100 bits was $1. But now, we're doing a game development thing. Essentially, we're doing like weird amounts of bits per dollar amount. So the amount of money you spend on bits doesn't necessarily amount to the amount of bits you receive. 100 bits is $1.40. Yeah, I get that much. The thing is that it's on purpose because it makes you seem that way. It's supposed to be $1.40 because that's how much 100 bits is. But it isn't. You're not getting a better deal. Bits is always $1. You just pay more or less depending on what package you get. And best part is, you could just send in 1 bit. You could pay your creator 1 cent. So now you have a weird amount of bits within your inventory, and you buy weird amounts of bits because that's what Twitch offers. Is 100 bits $1? Yes and no. And that's the purpose of it. They probably stole that from like the game design industry, which the game design industry stole it from casinos, by the way. It's in weird amounts because that's what casinos do. Water. What's the else statement? Oh, wait, there is no... Wait, what? If session ID equals nothing. Well, what if it equals something? Oh, wait, these are the... I'm getting confused. These are the connection events. Essentially, the purpose of the connection events is just to connect everything to the socket, and then afterwards there's the else statement down here that just connects everything. Is when you receive something to the socket itself. That's stupid. We should have it where we track the heartbeat, and if it's not even a bit used to be 0.71. Well, I'm sure this is the internet, so someone with autism probably logged bit price increases. How expensive was a bit in Twitch from release to now? I don't care. Oh. I'm sorry, what? Okay, that's cool. I guess that's a cool PSA. If you're buying bits, make sure you do it through the web app or the website, because through the app, it's more expensive. Gotcha, that's cool. Oh, and that's for iOS. Why? Oh, okay. So essentially, that's how you make a profit with bits. So, doing a little bit of research, it looks like it is true. If you were to... Every bit is like 71 cents because for every dollar you invest into Twitch via bits, 71 cents comes out to the creator. So, you're correct, and I'm correct. We're both correct. I love it when that happens. An interesting thing to note is that the more you spend on bits, the more money actually goes to streamers because they take less of a cut the bigger bulk purchase it is. That's pretty cool. That's actually pretty nice. What is this page? Why is it... Huh? What's with these pages? I'm guessing they're trying to search engine optimize this thing as tightly as possible. I don't think I ever saw a bit that's this very wonky diamond shape. Is that how... Yeah, it looks so bad. I would hate to say that this is AI generated. But it looks like it's just like terribly photoshopped. Because that looks like the Twitch logo, right? Yeah. Essentially, that's the Twitch logo if you were to just extremely squish it down. So that looks fine. Dollar signs. It looks like they just put text as a dollar and just scaled it up. That's so funny. Alright, Sidetrack over. We need to create a message scene now. What we want to do is make a message that can be as big. That looks so bad. I think I could do better. To be honest, you probably can. You most likely can, actually. That looks so bad. Text. It's not a text edit. I think it's a rich text label. Yeah. It's a rich text label. So messages itself won't have new lines. So we'll just have it. How big do you want a message, actually? I want it to fill up 300 pixels of the screen. And I want it to be no bigger than 100. So, if there's that sort of overflow, I don't want it to actually activate the scroll. So we're going to turn that off. Fit content? Oh, I hate it. I don't want it to follow the scroll as well. I want it to automatically trim it once it goes outside. Is that a thing we could do? We could trim it, right? Oh, that's just multi-processing. We'll just enable BB code. That's fine. We just need it so that way once it goes outside of the thing. Oh, come on! Oh, chat doesn't say white. It is easier to see the color of the person than read their username. I sound like a spoiled child. And granted, I mean, kinda. Like, it's easier to read the combination of the color and the username, because sometimes usernames blend in. So I can see why that's there. Also, colors add a sort of uniqueness to it. Am I able to actually see your color? Ah! I actually can. Color's pretty. Indeed. And because I'm able to get your message color, actually, I'm actually able to use BB code to quickly change the color of your name, and then afterwards send it into a rich text label. I want to figure out how to like add a ... but it like wraps 4 times. Oh. Rats. Oh, Legend of Zelda music. That's cool. Wordbound. What is a Kashida? What is a Kashida? What is a cashier? What? It's weird. I am an example. Message. Hee hee ho ho. Smile. Another word here. Save that in scenes. Sure, we'll put a color rect. Like this transparent, because transparencies actually work. Afterwards, blacken it out. Okay, we'll add on a script to this, actually. What? New message. Process our frames. We don't need this. Delta is not necessary. Just grab our color rect and equal it to the text label size. Let's have it fit content. Yeah, we can do that. It looks like it needs to be a little bit brighter on the color. You still can't see trash. I'll put that right there as well. Yeah, that looks good. Alright. Chatting. Export var. Message. It's gonna be the pack scene. What's the issue here? Message is message box. By the time we're on stream, we're gonna have a cooler stream elements compared to bigger streamers. True, and maybe when it comes to stuff like what was it, stream avatars and whatnot, we could reduce the amounts of stuff that's loaded simply by just putting everything into this application. How do I BB code? So a tutorial on BB code? No. BB code, Godot engine. Color? How do I set color? I do not care. Oh, that's funny. Left parenthesis, color equals that. The line escaped. Huh. That's really funny. We might need to put that line escaping in for now. But I think it's fine. Bar signature message is equal to message box. Instantiate it. Get the node rich text label. With rich text label, we need to grab this. Looks like I just put it in. Username, color message. I don't need the escape BB code method. Not yet, anyways. It's like you just put in the color. Creates an other event. Like, the other events are literally just everything else at this point. Color, stream. Equals. So let's grab the BB code. Color equals BB code supports HTML colors. I think it should be able to support those. Plus color plus that plus chatter plus escape sequence slash color. Combine these two, and it should be like that. Should be like that anyways. Dot text. Does it like actively change? Oh yeah, look at that. Supports HTML tags. Slash color. Escapes. Perfect. Color equals. What's red? RGB. Huh. It's just one. Oh wow, BB code is actually pretty sophisticated. It really does everything in its power to interpret it correctly. Null. Perfect. There we go on the regular chatting itself. Actually, messages. We need the signature message itself. Chatter, message, color, add, child. Okay, I need to use the bathroom. I'll be right back. This Pokeball. Alright. I think we just need to set up messages. Where's color? That sucks. Color would be over here. So it might be just easier, just take a look. Look at the subscription types. Channel, chat, user, message. Color is under... looks like event. So all we have to do... scroll up. Message event color. Then everything else could just be this while I'm trying to figure everything out. Is color before or after? It's before. Link. Should work. Let's run the entire thing. I don't know why it wants to go over here, but it did. Nothing you can do about it. What I can do is test it out. Ah! Ah, I see. Should have known. Should have known. All right. Ah. True. Let's go ahead and quickly set that then. Emojis don't show up on the side. No. So essentially, there's a alt text to the emoji, and it grabs that. So I'm pretty sure if you were just like grab the alt text of the emoji itself, it'll say cat B claw, and then afterwards the emoji name. But it looks like it works. So let's just export projects. It's pretty sick. I quite like it. They seem identical. Could be identical, who knows? I'm gonna close this. Oh, it's on the other screen now. Amazing. Make sure this is kept below everything else. Grab our chat. Bow before my superiority. Oh. Let me, Okay, all of our messages are just gonna stack up on each other for the time being. Yeah. Oh, indeed. What happens? Oh, it must be this. Okay, I think I know what happens. Oh my god, it's getting worse by the day. Minimum. That's the minimum size. I think that's the issue. There's a group hug in chat. It just looks like a heart attack. Just trying to skid on by, trying to fix it. Okay, let's run the test. That's the wrong scene. Nope, it's the correct scene. We need to test this now. A, B. Okay, I think I fixed it. I closed the wrong thing. Okay, there's no chat now. Oh wait, there's chat still. Oh, it's not it. The minimum text is 0, so it's then afterwards spacing it. Okay, I see. This is Windows. Just gonna make sure Linux is there. There we go. Cut. And paste. Apply to all, overwrite. Cancel, run. It's requesting everything. You have 1 new chat. Ta-da! You can now send a message. And it should work as intended. I'm so good at programming. I'm actually seeing what happens when it reaches the bottom now. 2, 1. Did I? Yes. Something wrong? Think it's too good? There's one thing I want to see if it's working properly. Ah! It is. Somehow. No, I see, that's what you want. I will take the big block. It's a huge block, yes. And on lawn messages, I wonder if it's gonna automod me. Sorry, I'm just editing a Wikipedia page. Perfect. Oh, that's nice. You heard all that? Yeah, I saw that. It made it bigger. It did. And what I was testing was to see if it was scrolling correctly. And it looks like it is. Oh. I know. I know what might be a problem. So once it reaches 50 messages, in order to save on memory, what it does is it automatically deletes the message at the very top. The thing is, once it deletes a message, it modifies a lot of things. So I made it so that way it subtracts like 50 pixels, if I remember correctly. It might be the fact of the matter that it could be broken. It could literally just be broken. Like if I go to... It is... chatting. Right here. If it goes... Yeah, the message you can't see. However, it does affect the way it scrolls. And I don't want it to like do like a memory overload. Some people are strict on memory. You can only see like 6 messages at a time. That is true. However, again, once it reaches this 50 maximum children, then afterwards it's going to delete a message. Essentially, what that does is it... Here, color rect. You got a box. And as you keep adding messages to it, it just expands. But then afterwards, at some point, I wanted to delete a message. So once you delete a message, it goes like this. It squishes down. But that's the thing. The thing with this is that it doesn't like auto scroll back up. It looks like it just jumps. Jumps to the bottom, essentially. And I don't want it to like look like it just spawns in after my memory clearing gets activated. So it could be that I just need to find a way to specify its moved amount. I just don't know how. Oh wait, does it even delete a child? Oh, 0000 turns it black. Oops. Oh well. It's just solid black now. Let's see. It's not removing the child, is it? So, var moved amounts should... We should probably not worry about this. Move amount should get the child. Scroll messages. And get child. So the children power the chat? Yes. Well, no. Sorta? Free labor? Get child dots size. When we get the child or minimum size. Custom minimum size. I don't name my personal child. All for the good of whatever the heck we have. Then queue free. And then it's going to be equal to moved amount. Yes. More slave labor. That's the reason. I think this fixes the bug. I'm too lazy to... Oh wait, I could test it. I could just test it. We need to keep a steady child income so we can talk. To be honest, I want to have more channel point stuff so that way you can do random stuff on my stream. I want to make sure people just have fun while I'm having fun. Because it's not fun to watch someone program, but it's very fun to program. Where is... Wait, which one's the debug? This one. Oh, shit. Hashtag 000000. Oh, this is gonna take a while. I can't move the screen. Programming is expensive on child reserves. Exactly. It's not X, it's Y. I'm just trying to test it out. Because as soon as I was done testing, I decided to break. I'm pretty sure I could click this button. Yeah, I could click the button faster. Oh, just wait for it. The claim costs so much. It does. Yes, true. Why does it sometimes work? And other times it doesn't. Okay, I'm just gonna force free it. I wanna immediately kill it. Maybe once I immediately kill it, it's gonna fix everything. Oh, you could hear me mash click. So now it looks like it only sometimes jumps up. Yeah. It looks like it only sometimes jumps up. That's fine. Hero will treat you like a Tamagotchi with all the rewards we will have. I will be honest, that sounds like fun. We could be better than the other streams. We could have a hydrate and a eat food option. Sorry, cat, we did not give you the ability to eat. No! How am I supposed to survive now? I'll die before I hit stream 30. It costs too much. Since this doesn't work, just quit it. Who cares? You just grab these. Oh wait, no, brawn. Cut these. Paste them right here. Apply to all. Kill this, run it again. Oh, right. Below others. What's that? Oh! Son of a... There's a white box. I completely forgot I added that. Let's see. Same thing. Here under. There you go. Fuck your white box. You don't get it. Oh, that should be a channel reward. Spawn one white box on the screen. Annoy everybody. It'll have your name on it. Just so that way you know you made that impact. Alright. That's everything. Oops. On screen. I need to go. I need to go to my job now. We've made so many dumb impacts. Yep. I'll stay safe. Maybe I'll start up a stream like later if I get back at a safe time. But for now, that'll be it.